My job as a dental hygienist is to meet new patients. Usually if you make an appointment, you come in as a new patient and you will see a hygienist. Hygienist will sit you in a room and will take all the necessary x-rays. We'll go over your general health conditions because getting any kind of dental treatment, we need to be aware of what particular health conditions you might have and how it can influence the dental treatment. After we take all the necessary x-rays, you usually meet the doctor, and if everything is okay and your mouth is in a good shape, you get a dental cleaning, which we'll take care of. If further screening is necessary and you have certain gum problems, we're gonna recognize them and we're gonna suggest and explain the treatments you might need.